Welcome to this Herschel Science Center short video tutorial. This is the first video tutorial of a series devoted to how to use the Herschel Science Archive user interface. The interface can be accessed from the Herschel Science Center webpage under the Data Products item. This welcome page gives access to all the features and documentation that you could require, a guide to how to use the interface, access to our help desk for questions, suggestions and problems you could have, the list of FAQs that can solve your problems straight away, also information on the different versions of the archive since the very first one, and access to the full Herschel documentation. From this icon, you can come back to the Herschel Science Center homepage. This video tutorial is focused on the archive content. Opening the query interface itself, you will see that it gives access to 3 different data collections. These are the different products that you can retrieve for each observation: pipeline products, user-provided data products, and highly processed data products. Pipeline products were obtained by processing the observations through an automatic pipeline at the Herschel Science Center. It includes the observational products at different levels, auxiliary and calibration products, and a complete report of the technical quality of the observation. This pipeline corrects well or automatically a number of instrumental artifacts, but the final products can be significantly improved by processing them interactively with other tools. These are the user-provided data products and the highly processed data products. Just below the interface is the product selection. You have a list of the data provided to date by the users. The third group of products, the highly processed data products, are interactively generated by experts in the Herschel Science Ground segment. A special case of HPDPs are the catalogues, which can be retrieved complete from this window, or can be queried through a dedicated tab of the interface. These are the PAX and SPIRE point source catalogues and the HiFi and SPIRE spectral line catalogues. Other catalogues involving Herschel observations are provided through Visier. The archive also provides access to ancillary data products, ADPs, which are not necessarily linked to a particular observation, but which contain valuable additional information such as the asteroid, planetary or stellar models used for the calibration. A detailed description of the products is also available from the Herschel Science Center home page. Thank you for watching.